The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Milam County and central Texas until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Thorndale, or 12 miles west of Rockdale, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cameron, Thorndale, and Buckholz. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. The current time is 1:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station WXK 35. Serving the Waco listening area.